So the Environmental Protection Agency has come by the shop and told us that all containers containing oils and fluids need to be 100% drained, and not even a single drop can come out of these bottles. So they recommend that we stand them upside down and let them drain for at least 30 minutes before we throw them into the trash. So I did some research online to find a product that could help us with that, and what I found was the Bottle Buddy. So you put your bottles upside down into the top of the Bottle Buddy and it drains downwards into an empty bottle here, and you would be surprised how much oil gets left in the bottles. Just after a couple of these, that empty bottle there will be completely full. So by thoroughly draining the bottles really does make a big difference as far as how much oil is being put into our landfills and stuff. So this Bottle Buddy is a really simple device. You can mount it on anything on top of a toolbox, a bench. You can mount it on the wall. So here I am emptying out one of the bottles that caught all the fluid, and then I'm going to show you how to use the Bottle Buddy. So you'll just set it up on a bench or a tabletop, whatever, and then you're going to take the empty bottle and put it in the end with the little spout here. Then you'll insert the bottle upside down like this into one of the holes, and as you can see how much oil is actually draining out right there. So you'll just insert it in there and then leave it there for a good half hour or so, come back and it's perfectly drained. Now the bottles are ready to be disposed of. I will link this up in the description of the video. There's also a few other designs out there to work with bigger openings, the bottles like coolant bottles and stuff like that. I will link that up in the description also. I hope this video has helped you stay in compliant with the EPA. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.